Hey, what's up everyone? Wanted to hop on here, do a quick review of my Carlisle Turf Saver back tire on my track riding lawnmower. And this is probably a review after one full season, or just about one full season, because I actually got a flat on the old tire, like 2 cuts into last season. This has an entire season's worth of use on it. Here's my thoughts on it. So number one, they do sell this tire with and without the rim attached, and I would say spend the extra couple of bucks and get the one with the rim attached, because it's going to save you a lot of time on the install. As you can see here right on the hub, there's basically it's a 10mm bolt. You can take that right off on an impact or with a socket wrench. First thing you should do is you should actually get the get it jacked up first. But basically it's a 10mm here on an impact. That comes out, then the tire pulls right off. And then I actually have the old tire here to show you. If you look here inside, it's actually not completely round. There's actually 2 flat sections, so it's keyed. So basically how that's gonna work is the bolt comes out, the wheel slides off, the wheel slides on, rotate it till it keys, seat it, and then impact it right back on, and you're done. So changing this is going to be super easy. I mean, I think I changed this in about 2 minutes. And once it's there, make sure it's inflated properly, and the valve stem is the same stem as you'd find on your car or a bike tire, so any pump that you have will fit. Make sure that you have the right pressure, and then you should be good to go. Now the difference between this, if you notice, for those of you with eagle eyes, I had a Turf Saver 2 blow out on me, and I replaced it with a Turf Saver 1. Now, the reason why I did this was actually during the height of the supply chain issues, and this was actually all that was available. So I did pick it up, so now I actually have a tractor with a Turf Saver 2 on the other side, a Turf Saver 1 on this side, and I can tell you I haven't really noticed a difference in the way that it performs. Now, the difference between Turf Saver 2 and Turf Saver 1 is the tread. If you'll notice here, the tread here is a little bit chunkier. I'm assuming this is if you have a little bit more mud on your property, you need a little bit of a better bite. You'll see the Turf Saver 2 has it's a little bit smoother of a tread, and then also the shoulder on the tire here. You'll notice here how it has this very defined kind of lip here. It's very flat and almost square. If you look at the Turf Saver 2, you'll see that it has more of a rounded, kind of softer look to it. Other than that, I mean, they are the same size. They are interchangeable. I've been running 1-in-1, again, 1-in-1 for all last season because you couldn't find Turf Saver 2s. And yeah, overall, I'm happy with it. They're both of the same quality. And on my lawn, I'm up in the Northeast US, so I don't have too much mud and I don't see too many lines with it. But that is the subtle difference between the Turf Saver 1 and the Turf Saver 2. But again, if this is one or the other is the only one that you can find and it's not the one you already have, you can run 2 and it is fine. So if you found this review helpful, be sure hit the little thumbs up down below, mark it helpful so other people are going to see it. But overall, I think the Turf Saver tire, I'm happy with the purchase. I think you will be too. And again, it is a direct replacement no matter which one that you have. And if you get the one with the rim, it'll make your life a lot easier. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.